Hello, everybody. Welcome to Geology 100. My name is Kevin Finnerty. I'll be running this course this term. We did have some last-minute changes. If you noticed, I know when you signed up, it was likely in person. There were some last-minute changes to the faculty and the department, so we had to move this one entirely online, and I'm excited for it. I have not been at Oswego for a couple of years. Bright Space is going to be a slightly new thing for me, so we'll all be patient, but really excited to be back. So welcome. Thanks for coming. Let's very quickly shoot through what I'd like you to do here just to make sure we see what the course is all about. I'll get stuff into there very soon so we actually have some content. But for the first day, I really would like us just to see this stuff. So we got me, which that's less critical. Course schedule, that's very critical. That's really what you're going to need to focus on to make sure that we stay on topic. So I divided the course up into these chunks, a couple weeks at a time. It's asynchronous, so during that time you can kind of work at your own pace, but towards the last 2 days of each of these segments there will be a quiz to wrap up that segment. These are the chapters out of the book. I'll show you the link to the book in just a moment. And as much as it's asynchronous and you can do it at your own pace, we still got to stick to the schedule of doing it then. We don't want to get down a couple and then say, oh, I got to go back and do those quizzes. That's not going to work. So stick to these time frames and you'll be in good shape. Okay. What else we got? Just to do a quick shoot through the syllabus. Give it a read when you have a moment. Geology is definitely my obsession. I love it. It's like I say here, it's the lens that I look through every day. I mean, if you've ever found a fossil anywhere, you know what I mean? Really getting a grasp of the depth of time that this planet has been here is kind of the key to it. And once you have an appreciation for that, and that's where we're going to begin the course, the planet just looks different. You know what I mean? Our here in the States, how old is this? This civilization we have, hundreds to thousands of years old. Well, a 4.5 billion year old planet, that number's so big it's hard to grasp. But it's what gives us the time to form the land as we see it today. So check out all that when you get a sec. There's the link for the text. It's completely online and free. You can just use it online or you can download it. So pretty flexible there. And if you stick to this course schedule, you'll see what chapters belong with what and be in good shape there. And really, as I've done these courses in the past, almost everybody that sticks with it makes it, like, with very, very, very few exceptions. If you stick to that schedule, you'll be in good shape. If you disappear for weeks to months, that's going to be where it gets tricky. Keep in contact. Email's the way to do it. Reach out to me anytime, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as we can. Which gets us here. I teach high school earth science as well as doing this. So the schedule is going to be, we got to work around it if you want to meet, chat, anything like that. I'm on email all day long, so hit that and I'll be back to you as quick as I can. If you want to meet, between where I teach and home, campus is in the middle, so I can stop by anytime, but it's got to be after 3:30 or so, or later. Zoom is available if that helps. And this, I went back and forth on this. I don't know. Tell me what you think. If there's enough interest, when we get up to the big tests, maybe the midterms, I could do some sort of live review. I'm sure I could reserve a room on campus, or I could do it on Zoom, or neither. You could just do it with the modules and figure it out. But let's keep chatting about that. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure I could reserve a room on campus. Grading, check this out. Pretty straightforward, right? Discussions, a basic rubric on how those are going to work. The segment quizzes are the biggest chunk. So what I'd really like, and when we do the first quiz, I'm going to have a question about these. So either have this open or have it read at that point, because I would like to make sure that you see these points to figure out how these work. It's the bulk of the grade. So read through those as the rules on how it's going to work. Now, all of those rules stated, what I say right here is that I've always done this course on either Blackboard, or previous to that we had one called Angel. So there's a chance that as I learn Brightspace that some of these maybe are off a little or irrelevant, but we'll figure that out and remain adaptable as we go. Midterm and final, that week of October 10 is going to be a busy one because one of the course segments ends, which means there's a quiz. We got to fit in the midterm, and it's only a 4-day week because Friday is supposed to be off. And then I got to have those midterm grades in and submitted so you guys have your midterms grades reported through the college. We'll figure that out when we get there, but that'll be the midterm. And again, we could do some sort of review before it. Final will be during finals week. In both of those cases, it'll be open for a couple of days and you choose your time when you can get in there and do it. The general policies you probably see on most of the syllabus you're getting today. Welcome to first day of classes, everybody. So yeah, that'll be that for now. I'll start getting content in there, and we'll do a little introduce yourselves post. All right. I'm excited to be here. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys all soon. Thank you.